I've never had such delicious chicken. It's one of the most popular recipes. Let's start by seasoning these 6 chicken thighs with salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Spread the seasoning out very well. Let me know if you like getting chicken or beef recipes. In a saucepan, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt and add the chicken thighs. Let them fry until golden brown. Tell me which city you're watching from, so I can send you a big hug. Now I'm going to chop an onion. Put the onion in the pan and sauté for a minute. Add a tablespoon of oregano. I'll also add a bay leaf. Sauté everything for another minute. Add 2 cloves of crushed garlic and mix. Now I'll add 120 milliliters of white wine, 700 milliliters of chicken stock. Mix well. Add salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Mix everything together and put the chicken thighs in the pan. Now let them cook for 10 minutes. Then, after cooking, remove the chicken thighs. Add 160 grams of cream and mix well. We can put the chicken thighs back in. In the meantime, I'll chop the parsley to taste. And our chicken thigh recipe is ready. It's very juicy. I can't wait to taste it. Make it at home and come back and let me know how it turned out. Until the next recipe, and bon appetit!